Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to unlock Facebook profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to unlock the Facebook profile, first open up your Facebook app, and over here guys, in order to proceed, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon just beside the what's on your mind, or below the home icon. Tap on your profile picture icon, and from over here guys you can see the three dot in icon just beside the edit profile option available for us. At the right side of the screen you can see the three dot in icon. Tap on it, and this kind of interface will appear if you have locked your profile. Now in order to unlock it, you can see the unlock profile button available for us just below the view as. Tap on unlock profile and tap on unlock at the left side of the screen over here, and again tap on unlock your profile. And with that being done guys, your profile will be unlocked. You can see over here. And guys, this is how to unlock your Facebook profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.